Uh, an amount of 10,000 is deposited in a bank A for a certain number of years at a simple interest of 5% per annum. Okay, fine. On maturity, the total amount received is deposited in bank B for another 5 years at a simple interest of 6% per annum. If the interest received from bank A and bank B are in the ratio of 10 by 3, 10 is to, sorry, 10 is to 13, not 3, sorry, my mistake, 10 is to 13, then in the investment period in years in the bank A's. So let's say in bank A money was invested for n number of years, let's say the number of years was n. So how much interest we got in bank A? So interest in bank A will be 10,000, okay, it was 5%, right, correct. So 10,000. So every year bank A is giving 5% of 10,000. So 10,000 into 5% into 5%, 5% of 10,000, okay, and into the number of years. The number of years is n, right, okay. This is the interest received from bank A, 5% of 10,000. Now divided by, okay. Now we are saying that now the on maturity, right, on maturity. So how much money will get on maturity? So this was 10,000 will get, 10,000 will definitely get, okay, and plus the interest. So okay, so plus 5%, or better I can write 5% as 5 by 100, so that will be 0.05. So better I can do one thing, I will write it as, sorry, so 5% को I am writing in decimal term, so I am writing 0.05, okay. So 0.05 into it. This is the interest received from bank A. Now interest received from bank B will be, okay. So interest received from bank B will be this 10th. So maturity money, okay, maturity money will be the maturity amount money received from bank will be 10,000 plus this interest. So 10,000 plus this thing, I am taking 10,000 common. So 10,000 it will be 1 plus 0.05 into n, right. So this is the 10,000 plus this 10 into this interest. This is the money received from bank A. So this money is deposited in bank B for 5 years. 5 years. Every year bank is paying 6%. So in 5 years bank B will pay how much? 5 into 6%. 6% every year. Okay. Simple interest, a simple interest. In simple interest every year the interest will be same. So 5% every year. So 5 into 6, that means 30%. 30% of this amount. So 30% I am writing 0.03, right? Sorry, 30% will be 0.0. It will. I have by mistake I have written 3%. So it is 30%. So 30% will be, so 0.3, 30 by 100, right? Okay. And this ratio is given as, this ratio is given at 10 by 30. This interest 10 by 30, okay. So we can simplify and solve the value of n. I think I can cancel 10,000, 10,000 gone, okay. So what you can do is, I am multiplying, okay. So here 0.05 and this is this thing 0.30. So I am writing here 5 by 30, okay. So this is 5 and I am multiplying by 100, or just 0.05 by 0.3. It will be 5 and by 30, okay. This will be 1 by 1 plus 0.05 n, this is 10 by 13, right? 10 by 13, okay. So let's solve it. 5 6 ja 30, okay. So I'll cross multiply. So 13n 13n equals to 6 into 60 into 1 plus 0.05n. 0.05 is 5 by 100, so I can add 1 by 20. This is 1 by 20n, right? So if I open the bracket, 13n equal to 60. Okay, I can multiply. Let me multiply this. So we can open the bracket. We can open the bracket 60 plus. Now 60 into this 1 by 20 is 3n, right? Okay. So from here we can say 3n will go that side. So we can say that is 13n. Okay, this is not cancelled. Okay, so we can say 3n will go that side, 10n equal to 60 or n equal to 6. So the answer is 6 years, right? So that's the answer 4. I hope this is clear.